Hi YouTube. So I am here with another video. I do want to thank you all for being patient as I was finishing up my MBA. I finished on the 21st of August and I officially graduate on the 31st, so a couple of more days and I'll be officially graduated from my program, and I'll be celebrating my graduation in December if we have a December graduation, because of course, you know, with this COVID situation and the Delta variant, they may not have an in-person graduation, so I may have to do a virtual, but that's okay. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a couple of unboxings. I purchased these maybe about 3 weeks ago. First one is in this box. I have not opened it, so I'm going to be pulling the tab on this one. This is from Louis Vuitton. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Sherry. Thank you for watching, and I hope you hit that subscribe button. Alright, so Louis Vuitton. Okay, they've wrapped it up. I actually have not gotten one wrapped in a while like this, and I have a card. I'm excited about that. I'm going to pull that there. Ooh, it's wrapped in paper, look. Let's see what we have here. Let's put that there. And to reveal, this is the By the Pool bandeau. Now this I can tell is used. Look at this. It's already been tied, you guys. I would definitely be sending this back. Look at this. It's already been tied and used. Louis Vuitton ain't shit for this. Why would they mail this out like this? Why would they do this? Y'all look at this. Y'all look at this. So this was an epic fail on this, and I was so excited about this. I wanted this to go with my By the Pool Kirigami set, but I'll be returning this back because this some BS. I'm gonna be for real. It's too much money for this to be looking. I mean, you can clearly tell it's worn. I will be sending this right the hell back. Excuse my French, but I'm really upset with this because I was really excited about this, and I don't think they even have any more. So they literally sent me somebody's leftovers. I definitely know I don't want that. Let me move on to my other box. This is from Coach. Let me open this up. Hopefully this is a little bit better. I'm going to be dropping that back off in the mail today. I'm glad I went on ahead and finally opened it because I've had that for about 3 weeks. And Coach sent me Coach sent this big box for this. What's going on with Coach? I got this. So I've wanted one of those Louis Vuitton Elizabeth pencil cases, and I just can never get my hands on one, or I'm just, you know, the overall look of them I'm just not happy with, or there's something I don't like about it, like it's too much vachetta, or the color, or just the pattern. I don't know. It's always something with them, and I really haven't found one that I've just really liked. So Coach had this one on their website for $27, and I thought, you know what? This is one of my favorite tones of pink. It's a hot pink color. My office is decorated with this hot pink color like everywhere. And then I have my Louis Vuitton Neverfull, which has that fuchsia. It's not really hot pink, but I have a lot of hot pink in my... Oh, this is... Y'all, this is just being like a fail all the way around. No, it's cute, but this is like a neon pink. This is not the pink I was hoping for. It's still cute, but the shade of pink is not what I want. It's too neon. You probably can't even tell I don't even know if the camera's gonna even pick this up. I'm gonna be sending this back because this is way too neon pink for me. I don't want this shade of pink. So that's it. This video was just a complete all-around fail unboxing from Coach and from Louis Vuitton. More so Louis Vuitton, obviously, but while this is still cute, it's not the shade that I want, so I'll still keep hunting. Probably try to get a Louis Vuitton one if I can find one. So this is my failed unboxing. I hope you all enjoyed this video just as much as I did. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Alrighty, bye.